So yeah, God told me to build this giant boat because the world's getting flooded. Everyone thinks I've lost it,
I
but
got
hey.
thrown in here for praying, like just praying. And now I'm chilling with actual lions, but weirdly, like.
So yeah, I kind of sold out some dude for this cash, but I'm low-key feeling guilty.
I just took down a literal giant with a rock, like one shot. Dude face planted so hard the earth probably felt it.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Bible story vlogs just like those ones in minutes. So let's get right into the video. First, you'll need to create the script, then the prompt for our Bible story. So to get started, we'll go over to ChatGPT and you're going to ask it to give us a list of popular Bible stories. In this case, I'll ask for a list of 10 popular Bible stories. So once that's done, hit enter and ChatGPT is going to give you a list of 10 popular Bible stories. So you can ask for whichever number you want. So once you have the stories, the next thing that you need to do is to ask ChatGPT to turn this into short video scripts. So this is the prompt that you're going to use. I'll leave all the prompts that I've used in the description box, so just check them out there. So once you do that, ChatGPT is going to write out short scripts for each of the stories that have been given above. So as you can see right here, we have 10 short scripts for each story. Now, the next thing that you need to do is create prompts that you can use to generate the vlog videos. So to do that, we'll need to input a new prompt. So you can choose one script to turn into a prompt, or you can just do them all together. And by that I mean, let me just show you. So you're going to input this prompt right here. As you can see right here, we have requested a prompt for a specific story. If you want for all of them, just say generate a prompt for each of the stories above, and then you're going to input this prompt right here. As you can see, we have input an example of the kind of prompt that we want. Then now you can hit enter. Now ChatGPT is going to generate a prompt in the same manner, following the style that you have given it. As you can see right here, we have our prompt and now we are ready to start generating. Now you can do that. You can also choose to generate each prompt alone. So to do that, just click on the edit button right here. And now we are going to choose a different story. For instance, we can choose, let's say, Noah's Ark. Then you're going to copy this. And in the edited prompt right here, we're just going to replace the number 3 with number 1, and you're going to input it's the Noah's Ark story. So once that's all set up, then you can hit enter. So this makes it easier. You don't have to keep copying and pasting the whole thing. You only need to paste the part that you want to generate. So we'll copy the prompt and now we'll head over to Google Flow. So once you're here, create a new project and you're going to paste our prompt right here. So we are using the text to video option. Next, you're going to choose the settings that we want. In this case, I'll be using the VEO 3 fast model. Next, you're going to choose the number of outputs that you want. In my case, I'll just choose 1. Then now I'm ready to hit enter. So this is just going to start generating my video, and in a few short minutes, here is the output.
So yeah, I got thrown in here for praying, like just praying. And now I'm chilling with actual lions, but weird.
As you can see, that is so well done. So let's copy our next prompt. So back to ChatGPT, I'll copy this prompt right here. Next, I'll head back to Flow and I'm going to paste the prompt right here. I'll use the same settings as before, then I'll hit the generate button. Again, this is just going to start generating the video for me, and I'm just going to fast forward to the generated video. So here is the output.
So yeah, I kind of sold out some dude for this cash, but I'm low-key feeling guilty.
As you can see right there, we have another very good output. Now, if you want to generate long videos for your stories, all you have to do is generate a longer video script. So to do this, we'll head over back to ChatGPT. Next, you're going to choose the story that we want to elongate. So in this case, let's choose David and Goliath. Now we are going to input a new prompt and you're going to ask ChatGPT to generate 6 more scenes for this story. So you can generate as many scenes as you want. So this is the prompt that you're going to use. Again, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Once you do that, click enter and ChatGPT is going to generate the scenes for you. So here we have all our new scenes, each with its own script. So now all we need to do is turn this scene script, into a prompt that we can use to generate a video for each scene. So to do that, again, we'll just input this prompt right here. Basically, it's the same prompt that you were using earlier on to generate the prompts for our videos. So in this case, I'll just copy it and I'm just going to reuse it for this purpose. This time I'm going to paste it over here again, and I'm going to change this first part of the prompt. So in this case, you'll just input the scene that we want to use. So instead of generate a prompt for story number, we are going to say generate a prompt for scene number, then input the scene that you want to generate there. Again, you can generate all the prompts together by just saying generate one prompt for each of the above scenes. So with that, you'll just get 6 prompts for the same. So let's input the scene. Let's use scene 5 for instance. So once that's done, hit enter and the prompt is going to be generated for you. So here we have the prompt for scene 5. You can use this to generate your video. Again, to generate all the prompts together, all you have to do is just change this first part of the prompt. Just say generate one prompt for each of the above 6 scenes, and that's going to generate all the 6 prompts for you. So instead of generating each at a time, then you can just save time. That is if you want to generate all the scenes. So again, once that's done, hit enter and you're going to get the prompt for each of the scenes. Now you can copy the prompt for each of these scenes. Next, you're just going to head back to Flow and you're going to start generating each of these scenes. So you can use the scene builder if you wish, or you can just generate each and download, then combine them later on. So I'm going to paste that prompt right there, and I'm going to use the same settings as before. And here we have the final video output.
So yeah, I just took down a literal giant with a rock, like one shot. Dude, face planted so hard, the earth probably felt it.
So there you have it. That's how you create Bible vlogs using ChatGPT and VEO3. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions or concerns about it, make sure you put it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Until next time, bye-bye.